সকল বোর্ড ২০১৯ সেন্টেন্স কানেক্টরস ঢাকা বোর্ড ২০১৯ সেন্টেন্স কানেক্টরস Trees are a vital part of our environment because they bear a great impact on the climate, but we are not kind and careful about them. Rather, we destroy trees at random. As a result, one day the country will bear the consequence of greenhouse effect. As ours is an agricultural country, our economy depends on agriculture. Moreover, trees play a vital role on our climate. Firstly, trees keep the soil strong and protect it. Secondly, trees save us from flood and many other natural calamities. Besides, trees provide us timber, which is of great use especially in construction works and for making furniture. Therefore, trees are our best friends. পরবর্তীতে রাজশাহী এবং কুমিল্লা বোর্ড ২০১৯ Unemployment is a great problem in our country. In fact, অথবা actually, it is the burning question of the day. Now, almost all the countries of our world suffer from the curse of unemployment problem. However, Bangladesh is the worst sufferer of this so-called problem. In fact, now here in the world, this problem is so acute as in our country. Actually, there are many reasons behind it. Firstly, our country is industrially backward. Secondly, our system of education fails to give a student an independent start of life. Moreover, it has little provision for vocational training. Thus, our students and youths have false sense of dignity. So they run after jobs blindly. পরবর্তীতে চিটাগাং বোর্ড ২০১৯ We must be aware of the dangers of smoking. It is harmful to us in various ways. It causes various diseases such as blood pressure, heart attack, bronchitis, cancer, etc. Moreover, it pollutes air. Again, smoking causes harm to not only the smokers but also the non-smokers who remain by them. So we should give up smoking, but it is such great an addiction to get rid of. However, nothing is impossible for us if we are determined to give up it. We can certainly do it. পরবর্তীতে বরিশাল বোর্ড ২০১৯ We should always keep in mind that all kinds of physical exercise are not suitable for all, because different people have different capacities. For example, harder exercise like wrestling and gymnastics are suitable for young people because they have energy to perform them. Weaker and old people should take the milder exercise like walking, jogging, and freehand exercise. Over exercise never does good, rather, it breaks down the health. So, we should always take those exercises which would suit us. Physical exercise is important for the preservation of good health. It also builds our character. পরবর্তীতে আমরা সিলেট বোর্ড ২০১৯ সাল দেখব Education is essential in our life. If we are not properly educated, we cannot live an honorable life in society. It teaches us not only how to earn but also how to spend. Again, it teaches how to live in amity with others in society. So, we must get proper education. Also, we should bear in mind that education is not only what we learn at educational institutions but also what we learn outside these institutions. In fact, education is a lifelong process. It begins just after our birth and ends only in death. পরবর্তীতে যশোর বোর্ড 2019 Honesty is a noble virtue. The man who possesses this uncommon quality is the happiest man in the world. Truly speaking, a man should have trustworthiness because nobody believes a liar. A liar may prosper for the time being, but ultimately he goes to the dogs. So, we should be honest in our life. It is believed that honesty is the best policy. On the other hand, dishonesty is the sign of downfall. God helps those who are honest. এখানে ভুল আছে যদিও ই নাম্বারটা হবে ওয়ার্ডস অর্থাৎ it is believed that honesty is the best policy whereas dishonesty is the sign of downfall. God helps those who are honest. On the other hand, dishonest people are cursed. Childhood is the best time when children should be taught honesty. It is seen that children follow their parents. So, parents should be honest. Moreover, they should be allowed to mix with those friends who are really honest because they build up their character. পরবর্তীতে আমরা দেখব দিনাজপুর বোর্ড 2019 We cannot walk on a road in the darkness without light. Similarly, we cannot step forward in our life without education. Therefore, throughout the ages, education has always been compared to light, and on the other hand, ignorance has been compared to darkness. Often, the light of education enlightens us. Moreover, it broadens our mind and widens our outlook. Actually, it is education which helps us to become a good citizen. In this way, education creates good citizens and ensures the smooth development of a country. On the other hand, ignorance stands on the way of development of an individual. Thus, I number two, thus, ignorance has a detrimental effect on the overall development of a nation. So, we should come forward to educate every single person of our country and thereby ensure the development of our country. সকলকে ধন্যবাদ পাশে থাকার জন্য। পরবর্তী ভিডিওটি পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকুন। আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু।